Hi everybody, welcome to a Toddler Observation Report video review. So this assignment is designed around the Toddler Observation project, and originally pre-COVID we should be having the practical aspect of this assignment in a toddler classroom. But it is what it is right now. We have to adapt and strategize how we can also achieve the purpose of the class of this project and also be safe. So we are just going to use this as this is a leverage we can use. There's a website, the Center College de Development du Décatché. I hope I'm saying that right. But that's like a website that was developed by the Canadian Education Department of Education. They use this website to train their teachers in observation methods, using running record, using developmental domains, anecdote illustration, or different ways of observing a child's activity, a child's development, a child's behavior for various reasons, reporting to families, in developing individual learning strategies, for maybe early intervention purposes, different purposes of observing a child's development. And if you'll be working with families or with children, this is a skill you need as an educator, as an advocate, as a family liaison expert, as a psychologist, a psychiatrist. These are the skills you need. You need to learn to observe and create a critical analysis of your observation based on a certain concept, or is it based on a certain strategy, or a certain domain, right? So those are the concepts you need. So for this project, we'll be using running records or a developmental written anecdote. And you open this website over here. I hope it works. Yes, it does. So you open this website and you go through, let me position myself in a better place where you can see everywhere. Okay, so I'm down there. So from this website, you can see there's like, it's like a library of different children's activities based on different developmental level. And if you remember from Cycle 7 that we talked about how to observe and interpret development, that was like a practice that we use to see how we can use running records to create like this strategic view of and subjective view of a child's development, right? And we practice here using some videos from my kids' activities that I recorded to write like a basic objective observation of the development without any interpretation, without any perceptual view of it. You're writing it as it happens. That was just that. Now we're going to use some of those videos in this website to write. That's what this paper is about. To write an analysis, a developmental analysis of a development that you observed. So you open that website and you view, you view 4 video activities, and you complete your own running record. Again, here it's a link to open a running record, or you can choose to use a developmental domain anecdote to describe the videos that you chose. So here, if you click here, these videos over here, there's a bunch of them. It's like, I think 28 of them. Different views of children's development. And if you click here and you watch, and you click answer, it gives you like a suggestion of how you can write it. Like, hey, this is what happened in this video. This is how experts review or write a running record of this activity over here. But I wouldn't expect you to copy and paste this, right? I want you to create an original one of yourself based on your own perspective and your own view of what's going on. but that's just an example, like to just show you how it goes. So you can click reset and you watch it again just to see, hey, am I making sense, right? So this video is for physical development. You can go again and see different videos. This was for language domain. There's another video here for artistic development. There's another video here for cognitive development. Different videos, like it's a bunch of them. And choose anyone. 4. Basically, that's what you're using for this paper. So along with your running record or the development or written anecdote that you chose of these 4 videos, you write like a 5-page report interpreting and analyzing this observed child's development that you saw in the video. So you're providing, this is like a concept for the report paper that you're writing. It should be in APA, but we don't need a title page or an abstract. I just need like you to have the 12 fonts, the Times New Roman fonts, make it a little bit more academically written, flowing, coherent, basic stuff like that. That's just it. So part 1, let's say paragraph 1 of your paper will be talking about just describing the video itself. What page number was it? So that means I chose to watch video on page 6, right? And give us like a brief description of the environment, what's going on in the settings, what kind of activity was going, general flow of activity. Then part 2 of the video of the paper, I would say put like subtitles. Use subtitles to section your paper, make it more readable, right? So let's say part 1, details of the video. Part 2, developmental descriptions of the video. So let's say for video 1, video 1 focus on the physical development, and this is this and this and this is what happened, and this is what I observed and can analyze based on what about social development or physical development should look like at this age. Social development, I want to see you writing based on what you observe in the video. What temperament type did you observe in the video? What attachment type did you see the child exhibiting? How did the adults in the video help the child stabilize their emotions? And again, for this session, I want to see you integrating Lieberman 2018 here. It talks about goodness of fit and how a child's temperament and adult's temperament are a good or bad combination of each other, and how they feed off each other to regulate and foster good emotion in children. And when this doesn't happen, this balance of emotion doesn't happen, what can go wrong or what can go right? And if you observe something like that in this video, is the child emotion a good fit to the adults in the video's interpretation of the emotion? Cognitive development. Which video did you choose that fits cognitive development? Describe it. What kind of cognitive stage or developmental stage is this child is in the video? What stage of play are they in? Their logical thinking, the symbolic representation, how you think the learning environment is affording a good learning experience for this child. And language development, the 4th video. Did you observe, what kind of language experience is going on in this video? How is the child using language, just linguistic skills in this video? And I want to see you describing and integrating chapter 6 into this video a lot, and seeing how the different theory of development or different theories of language development is very shown, or is very evident in this video, right? So I think that's it. And turn in all your running records. That means I want to see 4 running records for each video. You submit a running record for video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4, or a routine anecdote, or like a developmental routine anecdote for each video, right? So I think that basically sums it up. So you open this website over here, it takes you here, and you can choose variety of video, and you've practiced using this from the little running record that you wrote in Cycle 7 for this. Okay, so I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Bye.